Hey everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale. 150 Mill Street, located in the heart of Oshawa, has so much to offer. Let's go check this one out. Welcome into the interior of the home. I'm super excited about this listing simply because this gives first-time homebuyers the opportunity to get into the market. And we know that we don't see too much of that lately. But not only is that one of the key features, but it is completely upgraded. Now we're going to flip you around and check out that chef's kitchen. Come on in to this awesome kitchen and check out this fully custom fridge and freezer. I mean, how much more space do you need? I know I would love a kitchen like this. Not only have they added a dishwasher in here, but you also have a 3-piece bathroom on your main floor. This home comes with a brand new fence in the backyard. It is absolutely stunning and a very, very deep lot with 2 great brand new sheds because you know you're going to need a lot of space to keep those shovels these days. What I really love about this home is that it really does have those modern touches with the rustic feel. And these days, it is something that buyers are always looking for. Not to mention, we do have double door closets in this bright and airy primary bedroom. Now go check out the other bedroom and I'll meet you back downstairs. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this home tour. If you're interested in more awesome videos just like this one today, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in your own private tour, call the number above. We'd be more than happy to help you with that. But we'll catch you on the next video, and thanks so much for sticking to the end.